Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Education LD. Today we will be going to learn the use of wood. वुड का प्रयोग कैसे करें, ये सेकेंड पार्ट है। जो इसका एक पार्ट पहले ही हमारे चैनल पे आ चुका है। अगर आपको उसे देखना हो तो हमारे चैनल पे जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। वुड का प्रयोग मुख्य रूप से भूतकाल में, भविष्य के लिए, विनम्र अनुरोध के लिए, काल्पनिक स्थितियों में और इच्छा या प्रस्ताव व्यक्त करने के लिए किया जाता है। जब हमें किसी से विनम्र अनुरोध करना होता है तो विनम्रता से कुछ पूछना होता है, तो इस प्रकार के वाक्यों में वुड का प्रयोग किया जाता है। चलिए कुछ सेंटेंसेस से हम लोग ये पता लगाते हैं कि कैसे वुड का यूज़ हम लोग कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। I would never do that again. मैं फिर से ऐसा कभी नहीं करूँगा। I would never do that again. Next, would you like to help me with the presentation? क्या आप चाहेंगे कि मैं प्रोजेक्ट में मदद करूं? Would you like to help me? Would you like to help me with the presentation? Next, I would be surprised if she doesn't attend. अगर वह नहीं आएगी तो मुझे हैरानी होगी। I would be surprised if she doesn't attend. Next, he would not mind helping you with the project. वह प्रोजेक्ट में मदद करने में कोई आपत्ति नहीं करेगा। He would not mind helping with the project. Next, I would have helped you if I had known. अगर मुझे पता होता तो मैं आपकी मदद करता। I would have helped you if I had known. Next, would it be all right to ask for an extension? क्या विस्तार के लिए पूछना ठीक रहेगा? Would it be all right to ask for an extension? Next, I would prefer to take train rather than drive. मैं गाड़ी चलाने के बजाय ट्रेन लेना पसंद करूँगा। I would prefer to take the train rather than drive. Next, would you mind explaining this again? क्या आप इसे फिर से समझा सकते हैं? Would you mind explaining this again? Next, I would love to hear more about your experience. मुझे आपके अनुभव के बारे में और सुनने में अच्छा लगेगा। Next, would it be okay if I joined you for lunch? क्या ये ठीक रहेगा कि अगर मैं आपके साथ लंच करूं? Would it be okay if I joined you for lunch? हमारी टीम में शामिल होने पर विचार करेंगे। Would you consider joining our team? Next, I would have gone with you if I hadn't been busy. अगर मैं व्यस्त नहीं होता तो मैं आपके साथ जाता। I would have gone with you if I hadn't been busy. Next, would you like to hear a joke? क्या आप एक मज़ेदार कहानी सुनना चाहेंगे? Would you like to hear a joke? Next, I would say yes if I were sure. अगर मैं सुनिश्चित होता तो मैं हाँ कहता। I would say yes if I was sure. Next, would you be able to lend me your book? क्या आप मुझे अपनी किताबें उधार दे सकते हैं? Would you be able to lend me your book? Next, I would rather have tea than coffee today. आज मुझे कॉफ़ी के बजाय चाय पसंद है। I would rather have tea than coffee today. Next, would you mind if I borrow your pen? Would you mind if I borrow your pen? क्या आपको कोई आपत्ति होगी अगर मैं आपकी पेन उधार लूँ? Would you mind if I borrowed your pen? Next, I would recommend visiting the museum. मैं म्यूज़ियम जाने की सिफारिश करूँगा। I would recommend visiting the museum. Next, would you help me move this furniture? क्या आप मेरी मदद करेंगे यह फर्नीचर स्थानांतरित? नेक्स्ट, I would have taken the offer if salary was higher. अगर सैलरी ज़्यादा होती तो मैं प्रस्ताव स्वीकार कर लेता. I would have taken the offer if the salary was higher. Next, would you like a glass of water? क्या आप एक गिलास पानी चाहेंगे? Would you like a glass of water? Next, I would prefer it if you could drive on time. अगर आप समय पर आ सकें तो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. I would prefer it if you could drive on time. Arrive on time. Next, would you like to come with me to the park? क्या आप मेरे साथ पार्क चलना चाहेंगे? Would you like to come with me to the park? Next, I would suggest taking the earlier train. मैं सुझाव दूंगा कि आप जल्दी ट्रेन लें. I would suggest taking the earlier train. Next, would it be possible to get a refund? क्या रिफंड प्राप्त करना मुमकिन होगा? Would it be possible to get a refund? Next, he would visit us more if he lived closer. अगर वह पास में रहता तो वह हमें ज़्यादा देखता. He would visit us more if he lived closer. Next, would you be interested in buying this item? क्या आप इस वस्तु को खरीदने में रुचि लेंगे? Would you be interested in buying this item? Next, I would be disappointed if you didn't come. अगर आप नहीं आए तो मुझे निराशा होगी. I would be disappointed if you didn't come. Next, would you mind if I open the window? क्या आपको कोई आपत्ति होगी अगर मैं खिड़की खोलूं? Would you mind if I open the window? Next, I would love to hear your thoughts on this. मुझे इस पर आपके विचार सुनने का मौका मिलेगा. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Next, would you like me to call you later? क्या आप चाहेंगे कि मैं आपको बाद में कॉल करूं? Would you like me to call you later? Next, I would not want to miss that event. मैं उस इवेंट को मिस नहीं करना चाहूँगा. I would not want to miss this event. Next, would you care to join me for dinner tomorrow? क्या आप कल रात के खाने के लिए मेरे साथ आना चाहेंगे? Would you care to join me for the dinner tomorrow? Next, I would have stayed longer if I hadn't been called. अगर मुझे बुलाया नहीं गया होता तो मैं ज़्यादा समय रुकता. I would have stayed longer if I hadn't been called. Next, would you consider accepting the job? क्या आप नौकरी का प्रस्ताव स्वीकार करने पर विचार करेंगे? Would you consider accepting the job offer? Next, I would like to take a day off next week. मैं अगले हफ्ते एक दिन की छुट्टी लेना चाहूँगा. I would like to take a off next week. Next, would you help me with my presentation tomorrow? क्या आप कल मेरी प्रस्तुति में मदद करेंगे? Would you help me with my presentation tomorrow? Next, I would like to thank everyone for this hard work. मैं सबका धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा उनके कठिन काम के लिए. I would like to thank everyone for their hard work. Next, would you like to hear some music? क्या आप कुछ संगीत सुनना चाहेंगे? Would you like to hear some music? Next, I would have never I would never have imagined this outcome. मैंने कभी इस परिणाम की कल्पना नहीं की थी. I would never have imagined this outcome. Next. Would you be interested in learning a new skill? क्या आप एक नई कौशल सीखने में रुचि लेंगे? Would you be interested in learning a new skill? Next. I would go swimming in the weather if the weather were warmer. अगर मौसम थोड़ा गर्म होता तो मैं तैरने जाता. I would go swimming if the weather were warmer. Next. Would you mind if I borrow your phone for a minute? क्या आपको कोई आपत्ति होगी अगर मैं 1 मिनट के लिए आपका फ़ोन उधार लूँ? Would you mind if I borrow your phone for a minute? Next. She would have been there on time if the bus hadn't been late. अगर बस देर से नहीं आती तो वह समय पर वहाँ होती. She would have been there on time if the bus hadn't been late. Next, I would prefer not to discuss that matter now. मैं इस मामले पर अब चर्चा नहीं करना पसंद करूँगा. I would prefer not to discuss that matter now. Next, would you like me to get that for you? क्या आप चाहेंगे कि मैं वह आपके लिए ला कर दूँ? Would you like me to get that for you? I would be happy to meet your expectations. मुझे आपकी उम्मीदों पर खरा उतरने में खुशी होगी. I would be happy to meet your expectations. Next, would it be possible to change the time? क्या समय बदलना मुमकिन होगा? Would it be possible to change the time? Next, have a salad or a sandwich? क्या आप सलाद लेना पसंद करेंगे या सैंडविच? Would you rather have a salad or a sandwich? Next, I would recommend calling ahead to make reservation. मैं सुझाव दूंगा कि आप पहले से फ़ोन करके आरक्षण करवा लें. I would recommend calling ahead to make reservation. Next, he would not have liked the movie even if he had seen it. अगर उसने फिल्म देखी होती तो उसे यह पसंद नहीं आती. He would not have liked the movie even if he had seen it. Next, would you be able to attend the meeting tomorrow? क्या आप कल की बैठक में शामिल हो सकेंगे? Would you be able to attend the meeting tomorrow? Next, I would be grateful if you could review my report. अगर आप मेरी रिपोर्ट की समीक्षा कर सके तो मैं आभारी रहूँगा. I would be grateful if you could review my report. Next, would you mind explaining this topic again? क्या आप कृपया इस विषय को फिर से समझा सकते हैं? Would you mind explaining this topic again? Next, I would like to take a break now. मैं अब ब्रेक लेना चाहूँगा. I would like to take a break now. Next, would you agree to the extended deadline? क्या आप समय सीमा बढ़ाने के लिए सहमत होंगे? Would you agree to the extended deadline? Next, I would be surprised if he didn't show up. अगर वह नहीं आता तो मुझे हैरानी होगी. I would be surprised if he didn't show up. Next, would you like some help with that? क्या आप उसकी मदद चाहते हैं? Would you like some help with that? इसी के साथ हमारा आज का वीडियो ख़त्म होता है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन टाटा, बाय बाय, टेक केयर and guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Wait for our next video, okay?